In a previous video, I showed you a method to create shared folders on a Windows Server 2022. In this video, I would like to show you another method to do that and something nice that you could implement to make things easier for the users. You know, the ones that are actually using these shared folders.
Please subscribe.
In Active Directory Users and Computers, I have security groups for each department, as you can see here. I also prepared a folder in which I created subfolders with the same names. The plan is for these folders to be shared and the access granted per department. The simplest way to create a shared folder, as you probably already know, is to right-click the folder, click Properties, then click Sharing, and then click the Share button. Assign permissions and click the Share button once more. This will create a shared folder with basic settings. This is by far not the best method in a professional business environment. Here's what you should do instead. In Server Manager, click File and Storage Services, and then click Shares to display the shared folders on this server. Let's stop sharing this folder and I'll show you a better method. Click Tasks and then click New Share. Make sure that this method is selected and click Next. Click here and then click Browse. Find the folder you want to share and click here. Verify that the information is correct so far and click Next. Now check out this option. What happens if you check it? Well, the shared folder itself will not be hidden. Everyone will still see it and only ones with access permissions will be able to access it. So what's the point? Well, this affects all the folders inside this shared folder. Users will only see the folders to which they have security access, and the rest of the folders will be hidden from the user's view. You just have to use this option. Click it and click Next. This is the place where you assign permissions. Without getting too much into it, as a rule, remember to always grant the minimum required permissions. Click Add to choose the group for security permissions, choose the level of permissions, and never give full control permissions to non-admin users or groups. Then click OK. The main difference between full control and modify is that users with full control can take ownership of folders and files and add or remove access to other users. Click the Share tab to assign share permissions. For this to have minimum permissions, choose the same groups you assigned in the Permissions tab. In my case, it was the Accounting group with change access and the Domain Administrators with full access. Remove the Everyone group. This step is essential. Now all that's left is to click OK to move to the next window in which you need to verify your choices. Click Create and click Close to finalize the share creation process. You can open the server, then right-click the shared folder and review the settings you just provided. Check out the Sharing and Security tabs. These are the most important ones. I hope this helps you create shared folders and enjoy some cool additional options. Would you use this method to create shared folders? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And check out this video next. It's a good one.